What are the different types of checking account? It always best to know your option in advance. Checking accounts are an important part of the banking system. This deposit account gives consumers a place to deposit their money, make transfer, write check, pay bills, and do other routine banking transactions. The money in checking account is safe, as accounts are insured up to $250,000 per depositor by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation (FDIC). However, with so many different options available, how do you know which account is right for you? Checking accounts are an important part of the banking system, giving consumers a place to do routine banking transactions. Before you open a checking account, you should know your option and consider things such as monthly balances, fees, interest, and convenience. Regular checking accounts are the most common, giving you all the features you would expect from a checking account. Premium accounts offer many perks but often require you to keep high balances. Free checking account may not come with a monthly service charge, but they still incur fees for other services, such as overdraft or out-of-network ATM usage. Know your situation. Before you open a checking account, you should know your option. After all, not all checking accounts are created alike. The same applies to your financial situation. It's unique to you, so your checking account should complement it. Here are a few things you will need to think about before you head into the bank to open up your account. Monthly balance. How much you plan on keeping on average every month will help you decide which type of checking account to open up. Will this balance be consistent throughout the lifetime of the account, or will you only have a large balance at certain times during the year? Some accounts come with minimum balance requirement, which justifies some of their perks, so you should keep that in mind. Fees. Consider the fees associated with each type of account. You can avoid monthly service charge if you maintain a certain balance every month. Check to see if an account you are interested in charge extra for things such as debit transaction and in-branch transaction. Couples can open joint checking account to manage their joint finances and expenses. Maybe you can avoid certain fees by having automatic payment deducted for bills from your account or by setting up direct deposit. Knowing about the bank and its fee structures for each account can mean the difference between saving a lot of money or spending hundreds of unnecessary dollars in fees each year. Interest. Although you may not collect much, some checking accounts do pay interest. If you want to earn a little more, remember that's a little more. You can find a bank that gives you interest along with a place from which you can do your everyday banking. Interest is generally calculated on a daily basis and deposited directly into the checking account at the end of each month. Convenient. If you are the kind of person who prefers personal interaction, you will probably want a checking account at a bank that has a lot of branches. However, if you can do without, you will fare well with an online bank. These institutions don't have very many brick and mortar locations. Some don't have any at all, but they offer the convenience of online and mobile banking with a debit card. Because they don't offer teller service, many of these banks allow you to use different banks' automated teller machine ATM as well, which make cash withdrawal easier and cheaper. Now that we have outlined some of the basic considerations that go into choosing a checking account, here's a list of some different types offered by most banks. Regular checking account. A regular checking account simply lets you do all the things you would expect from a checking account. Deposit and withdraw money from an ATM, write check, pay bills, and make purchases using a debit card. You may have to pay a monthly fee for the privilege of being an account holder, but many banks waive the fee if you keep enough money in your account. A regular checking account usually pays little or no interest on your balance. So, if you are looking for a little income, you may consider opening up a companion saving account to your checking account. Premium checking account. If you have a five-figure sum or more to keep in checking account, a premium checking account may be right for you. Having that high balance in your account should allow you to avoid paying a monthly fee and provides perks such as ATM fee reimbursement, free check, and earning a little bit of interest. Thank you.